All right, so we have our pot about, the form we want, and the texture is pretty even. We have a few cracks, that's okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our table paper and we're just gonna make a little piece of paper like this, okay? And the reason for this is just so we can turn it easily like that. Okay, this is just too much. All right, so then what we're gonna do is we're gonna trim this lip even, because right now it's high, it's low, it's lumpy, it's all sorts of things. So we're gonna take a pencil or something, like a pencil, and we're gonna take this pin tool here, which has a little pointy part on it, and we're gonna hold it together like this, like a little plus sign, I guess you could say. And you wanna find the lowest point. So I think my lowest point's about right here. So I'm gonna take it just a hair lower and get myself organized. Here we go, there we go. Okay, and so I'm just gonna hold it still and I'm gonna move my pot around, dragging it across just like this. So I've got a nice level line, just like that. Okay, so now I have a level line. So now what I want to do is I want to take my feathering knife or buttering knife, whatever you got handy, and I'm just gonna trim it level so that I have a nice level top for my lid. Just like that. And you just do a little at a time. My clay is getting more leather hard now, so it's quite a bit firmer. Feels like cheese, like a Swiss cheese, something like that. Okay, so now I'm just gonna smooth that edge off because it's got a little bit of a sharp edge. I'm just gonna do a little smoothing, a little refining.